Hello everyone, my name is Ayodhya Hewagama and I am a student of University of Wollongong, Australia. Imagine a city where traffic lights can communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow, where parking spots are automatically reserved when you drive up, and where your trash bin can tell you when it needs to be emptied. This is the vision of a smart city. Smart cities use IoT devices to collect data from the environment and use that data to improve the lives of citizens. However, with the many benefits of smart cities come some significant security and privacy challenges. IoT devices are often poorly secured and vulnerable to attack. This makes them a target for hackers who could steal sensitive data or even take control of critical infrastructure. I will discuss the security and privacy challenges of implementing IoT solutions for smart cities. I will also provide some recommendations for how to mitigate these risks. Smart cities use IoT technology to collect data from the environment and use that data to improve the lives of citizens. However, this raises a number of security and privacy concerns. In this presentation, I will discuss the primary security and privacy challenges and IoT deployments in smart cities as well as some effective strategies for mitigate these risks. Let's now move to the next slide, which explains primary security challenges. Device vulnerabilities. IoT devices are often susceptible to security breaches due to outdated firmware, weak authentication mechanisms, and lack of encryptions. Data breaches and cyber attacks. With a large volume of data generated and shared across various devices, the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. Network security. Inadequate network security measures can lead to unauthorized access to sensitive data and compromise the entire IoT infrastructure. Lack of standardization. The absence of uniform security standards across IoT devices and platforms can create inconsistencies in security protocols, making the system more vulnerable. When we consider about primary policy challenges, we have to talk about data collection and surveillance concerns. It means the extensive data collection capabilities to IoT devices can raise concerns about constant surveillance and invasion of privacy, and also data misuse and unauthorized access to lack of transparency are the key points of primary policy challenges. This slide will give an idea about effective strategies for data security and citizen privacy. It consists with implementing robust encryption and authentication. Regular security audits and updates, which means conduct regular security audits and ensure timely updates to firmware and software to address potential vulnerabilities and keep the system secure. Adopting privacy by design principles, educating citizens and stakeholders. By prioritization these strategies, stakeholders can work toward building a security and privacy preserving IoT ecosystems. What do you think about this? In here, I am going to give some examples for security challenges. In 2021, hackers exploited a vulnerability in smart doorbells to steal personal information from millions of users. In 2021, a ransomware attack on Australia's water utility encrypted data and caused disruptions to water service and thousands of customers. In 2022, an Australian company was found to be selling data from smart city devices to advertisers and other third-party companies. In conclusion, the security and privacy challenges associated with implementing IoT solutions for smart cities are significant, but they are not insurmountable. By taking a proactive approach to security and privacy, smart city government and organizations can help to ensure that their citizens can enjoy the benefits of IoT technology without sacrificing their safety or privacy. Here I mention some key takeaways from this presentation. IoT devices are often poorly secured and vulnerable to attack. Smart city IoT networks are complex and often distributed across a large area. Smart cities collected a lot of data about their citizens, and it is important to ensure that this data is used responsibly and ethically, and that citizens have control over their own data. By taking these steps, smart cities can build trust with their citizens and create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Thank you for your interest in this topic.